Plants that are ideal for living room. So in today's video, you will see a list of plants that are ideal for your living room. Take a look at these plants. Plants, green plants, adding many house plants into your collection is one of the beautiful things you can do because these are decorative plants. Add some spider plants, some aglaonema varieties, Chinese evergreen plants, and they also in huge planters, and these add a lot of beauty to your home. There are many varieties of plants which you can add to your home as decorative plants. Many varieties are there, and I have shown them in different videos as well. So having these plants, some of them are air purifier plants, ericapeum, and also these snake plants. They are air purifiers, so there are many benefits of keeping these beautiful greens. If you're a person who loves adding greens to your garden, these are ideal for you.